Before you started in business, what was something that you believed that reality changed fast?
Well, I think for me, I thought things would go a lot faster, meaning opening up a new business, you have a good idea, you've got a need that your customers have and they want, and then you get started and it doesn't quite go as fast as you thought it would, and then reality does set in. It makes you take a step back, look at your business plan, figure out where some of those weaknesses are and some of the things that you need to change.
Hello and welcome to the Kanawha Valley Hustlers. This is Joe Justice. I'm here with Jesse. Jesse, tell me, buddy, what's your hustle?
Our hustle is saving customers' personal property and contents one item at a time.
Okay, and tell me, what's the name of your business?
Blue Kangaroo Packouts.
Blue Kangaroo Packouts, and what kind of problems do you solve here at Blue Kangaroo?
Absolutely. So we're in the restoration business. So when our customers suffer damages and loss from fire, from water, any sort of natural disaster, we come in and we save every single item that we possibly can. Those could be sentimental items, those could be items that they cherish. We come in, we save the day, we pack them out, we clean them, restore it, and then once their property is ready, we deliver everything back to them.
How long have you been doing this?
So we've been open for about 2.5 years.
And what got you into wanting to help people with these problems?
Well, I was looking at starting my own business, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I looked at different areas and different markets that I thought there was a need. And this being a very niche business, I decided to go ahead and take the plunge. So we are the only standalone contents restoration company in the area. Hence is why it is definitely a niche, but it also takes a lot of marketing and a lot of know-how on sharing what it is we do.
So when you got first started in business, what's a mistake that you made early on, and what did you learn from it?
I would say probably relationships are 100% of everything we do. So relationships, not just with our referral partners, but with the insurance companies, as well as our marketing partners.
And when did you learn that you needed to take relationships a little bit more seriously? How did you learn that?
Well, I think that comes with time. You learn to grow and develop relationships pretty much one at a time. You learn from different mistakes.
And tell me about a common misconception that exists in your industry.
I would say that everybody thinks this is easy, and because they don't really get to see behind the doors per se, and there's a lot of work that goes into restoration, not just working with our customers, but working with insurance providers to ensure that they're satisfied with our work.
Well, tell me a little bit about what makes a pack-out company different from like a mover.
Absolutely. So it all comes down to the cleaning and the restoration side, as well as our inventory system. So everything that we take with us gets pictured, it gets documented. We put a barcode on there, it gets scanned into our inventory system. So we track your items every step of the way, from the pack out to when it's been cleaned and restored, to when we put it in our storage system, and then whenever we bring everything back, we give you the documentation that shows every single item that we take with us.
I see. And what are some current challenges that you're running into in business today? Is it getting the word out? Is it staffing? What kind of problems do you run into today?
I think the thing that I hear the most, which I dislike, is I wish we would have known about you before. When this happened or when this happened. So it's still awareness. So we're still in that branding awareness stage. So the more people that know about us, I know that they would love our service because they have cherished items at home that they didn't know could be saved.
And what are you doing now to address those problems?
We're continuing to market. We're continuing.
Maybe doing a podcast or two.
Maybe doing a podcast or two is right. This is a word of mouth business. So, the more better experiences we have with our customers, and they share those experiences, then that only drives our business into better places.
So, rapid fire questions. What's the best $100 you ever spent on your business?
Well, we're always looking for ways to improve, right? So if we can increase our efficiencies, it's everything from getting a new roll cart to maybe even some different bubble wrap or even different tape. Those little things for us just make the day go by so much easier, and it makes our team happy, and it's so minimal, but it improves everything from start to finish.
When those little tools that you use every single day, I mean, that kind of stuff adds up, right?
Absolutely, it does.
If you're frustrated with it every single day, you're going to have a pretty miserable day.
Absolutely, and I always share with my team, if there's something we can do better, just tell me. And I very rarely say no to making a purchase, because if it improves our process and it makes us better, then I'll do it.
Great. What's one skill that every entrepreneur should have before they start their business?
Sales, definitely sales. I spent probably 8 or 10 years in sales, both existing customers as well as new business sales, and that will help you more than any other operational background, because it allows you to build relationships, it allows you to help market and grow your company. But sales by far is your greatest strength, because not only are you selling yourself to your potential customers, but you're selling yourself to potential employees. You're selling them on the idea, the vision of your company. So hands down, sales.
And what's one new skill that you're working on today?
It's definitely process improvement, right? So for every single job is different for us, right? Not one is alike. So whenever we bring our customers' contents back, they're all in different types of conditions. So for us, we're trying to look at the best solutions, the best chemicals, the best cleaning process. How do we restore something back to even better than it was, what we call pre-loss condition? We want it to get it better than that. So we're always looking at different ways on different chemicals and different solutions to fix that.
Right. As we're kind of wrapping up here, tell me, what's one principle, one belief, something that you stand by, even when all the haters tell you that you're wrong?
Faith in your idea, faith in your vision. When you're tested and you're put to the fire, that's when your character comes out.
Great. Jesse, if people want to get in touch with you or learn a little bit more, what's the best way for them to reach out?
Yeah, they can reach out, of course, by phone, 304-306-2451, or we do have social media. You can check out our Blue Kangaroo packouts of River Cities. We're located here in Huntington, West Virginia, and if anytime you want to come take a tour of our facility, you're more than welcome to.
Great. Thank you, Jesse.
Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching and listening. This is Joe Justice, a Kanawha Valley Hustler, reminding you to hustle hard, hustle smart, and hustle with a smile.